Hello my viewers, welcome once again to my channel Israeli Math Concept. In this tutorial, I'm going to solve this given problem on the board as pertaining to limit. So many students find it difficult to solve a problem that involves limit of a given function. But in the course of this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way of solving this given problem as regarding to limit. Alright, the question says solve for the limit as h tends to 0 of the value h plus a in bracket raised to the power of 2 minus a raised to the power of 2 all divided by h. Alright, let's begin with the solution of this given problem. The first thing we have to do is to neglect the limit which we are given initially. Then we begin to solve for the values of the numerator and the denominator of this given problem respectively. Alright, looking at the problem, we have h plus a raised to the power of 2. We can still break it as h plus a into two different places because of the square here, such that we have h plus a in brackets h plus a, then minus a raised to the power of 2, then divided by our h. We are still coming for the limit as h tends to 0. But first of all, let's deal with this numerator and denominator respectively. Then h multiplied by h will give us h square. We are trying to open up the bracket. Then h multiplied by a will give us plus ah. Then plus a multiplying h will give us plus ah. Then plus a multiplying plus a will give us plus a squared. Then remember we already have negative a squared here, such that we add it also as negative a raised to the power of 2. Then we divide by our h. Then we collect the like term such that we have that this is h squared, then plus ah will give us 2ah. Then we have plus a squared minus a squared, then they can cancel each other. Remember, positive a squared means giving you a value of a squared. Then negative a squared means collecting the same value of a squared that you were given. And because it is collected from you, you have no other a squared again. That is why we cancel out and we are left with a squared plus 2ah all over our h here. Then looking at this numerator, you can discover that h is common. Then we can factorize by having our h in bracket h squared divided by h, we are left with h. Then plus 2ah divided by h. Remember, 2ah divided by h, such that h will cancel out h and we are left with 2a. Then we have 2a, then all over our h. Then h, we cancel out the h here and we are left with h plus 2a. Basically, this is not our answer. Remember, we are dealing with limit. Then we say that the limit as h tends to 0, of h plus 2a, we now imply, remember, wherever we see h now, we replace it with 0, such that h now will be 0, then plus our 2a. And this implies that 0 plus 2a will give us 2a. So this is the value for this given question. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also to follow me on Facebook so that whenever I drop a new math content, you'll be notified. Remember to share this video. See you next time. Goodbye.